In this Fusion 360 tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Loft to loft between different profiles. Loft is very powerful in Fusion because you can make complex forms and then even intersect those lofts with other forms to make things that wouldn't be achievable otherwise. First, let's go ahead and create a sketch. I'll create a sketch in the middle here. And for this, I'm going to keep everything really simple. I'm going to select Create Ellipse. And then the ellipse will be click one point, then another point, and we're going to make the ellipse centered. So I'll click this center point and put that right on the origin. And then we'll make this just a little bit bigger. And then for the distance, go ahead and click from here to here, and we'll make this 50. And the distance from here to here, make 25. So now we have an ellipse somewhat like this. I'm going to finish my sketch. The key to a loft is we need multiple sketches. So right now I only have one sketch, and I can't have a sketch that's on the same plane. So we need to make an offset plane. So I'm going to construct an offset plane, and I'm going to go this direction, and let's go 50. And I'll say OK. Then I'll create a sketch on this plane, press P to project, go ahead and grab this ellipse, press OK, and then use the offset tool to move in a little bit. Let's move in, say, -6. Press OK. Now I can make another offset plane after I finish this sketch. Construct offset plane. I'll select this sketch, and I'll move this way 50. Press OK. Create a sketch, then press P to project, and I'm going to grab that far sketch. Press OK, finish my sketch. So now I have these three sketches. If I select Create Loft, I'll select this profile, then this profile, and you can see how that lofts, and then this profile. So now I have these lofts that go all the way through. And then I'll press OK. To show the power of this, I'm going to make an intersect cut. So I'm going to create a sketch on the ground plane. And for this, I'll create a slot, an overall slot, and I'll just click here, create this slot like this. And the only thing I want to make sure is that line here is coincident with the origin, and make sure it's vertical, which it is. I'm going to finish my sketch, press E, grab this slot, and make sure the direction is symmetric. And if I move this up like this, it's going to cut. I don't want it to cut. I want it to intersect, and then say OK. And check this out. Now I have this really cool form. And if I fillet the edges, let's say 5, press OK. Then if we split the body, select this body, the splitting tool will be the origin. As you can see, that's going to split that in half. I'll go ahead and hide one of the bodies. Click this face here, click shell. We'll type 1.5. And as you can see, you can create a really nice glasses case or enclosure very quickly with the loft command and intersect. Now I can modify chamfer this face, 0.5 millimeters. Say OK. Show the other body, shell this, 1.5. OK. Modify chamfer, 0.5. OK. And then we can show the other body again. And if I click one of these bodies, then the move tool, and then I set the pivot point to say right here, then click the check mark. I can open this up, and then I can see inside this case just like this. So you can create very complex forms with just a few pieces of geometry in Autodesk Fusion with the Loft and Intersect tools. So hopefully this allows you to use the Loft command creatively, create different projects. So if I now go ahead and happy 3D modeling,